Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your gaming or high-performance PC build? Meet the GIGABYTE X870E AORUS Pro, a cutting-edge motherboard packed with features designed to take your system to the next level. The AORUS Pro is not just another motherboard, it's a statement of power and performance. At the heart of this motherboard is support for AMD's latest Ryzen processors, ensuring that you have the horsepower needed for gaming, content creation, or professional workloads. Its DDR5 memory compatibility, with speeds reaching an impressive 8000 MTS, ensures a smooth and responsive experience even during the most demanding tasks. Connectivity is where this board truly shines. With Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast wireless networking, Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless device pairing, and USB 4.0 ports for lightning-fast data transfer, it's built for the future. The multiple PCIe 5.0 slots allow you to install the latest GPUs and storage drives, ensuring you're ready for the next generation of high-performance components. A standout feature is the Easy Latch Plus design, which makes upgrading components a breeze. Whether you're swapping out your GPU or upgrading your NVMe drives, the screwless quick-release system saves time and effort. Add to that an advanced thermal solution with robust cooling options, and you've got a board that stays cool under pressure. Of course, no product is perfect. The AORUS Pro sits at a higher price point than some competitors, and with limited PCIe 5.0 devices currently available, you may not fully utilize its capabilities right away. However, the board's feature set and future-proofing make it a worthwhile investment for enthusiasts and professionals alike. To sum it up, this motherboard delivers exceptional performance, innovative features, and an easy user experience. If you're building a top-tier system, the GIGABYTE AORUS Pro is well worth considering. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: higher price compared to competitors, limited PCIe 5.0 device availability, compatibility considerations with older components. Pros: robust power delivery for demanding builds, comprehensive connectivity including USB 4.0 and Wi-Fi 7, Easy Latch Plus for quick, hassle-free upgrades, advanced cooling solutions for optimal performance, DDR5 support for unparalleled speed. The GIGABYTE AORUS Pro is an investment in the future of PC performance. It's packed with features that make it stand out in a crowded market, from cutting-edge connectivity to user-friendly design. If this sounds like the motherboard for you, check out the links in the description, give this video a like, and subscribe for more tech insights.